Making plans for your next outdoor adventure? Consider taking a day at Olathe Lake. This newly renovated park has over 170-acre lake plus 250 acres of park fun ahead. On a summer day, make sure you check out the swim beach. Contact them by phone or check their website for their hours of operation. You'll want to make reservations for sure for the aqua park, featuring an obstacle course that's floating on the water, or the marina where you can rent canoes, kayaks, paddle boats, and pedal boats. Again, check their website for hours of operations and to make sure you have your request RSVP'd. Looking for a little sun and adventure with some physical activity of disc golf? There's an 18 course awaiting you. Make sure to bring a few extra discs, as these trees can definitely find a home for your new disc to get lost. Have a special event? The Eagle's Nest is perfect with an outdoor deck overlooking the lake, or for a winter event, consider the wood-burning fireplace inside to add that special touch. On a summer evening, you may even find a live band performing in the amphitheater, which seats over 1,500 people between the grass and stone-lined seated walls. Now, when this lake was renovated, they made sure to include over 14,000 plants with the nature preservation along with the updates for us all to enjoy. So take a day relaxing, or the kids playing in the splash park, or some adventure on the lake. Either way, it's bound to enjoy an adventure here today at the Olathe Lake. Check it out.